To invest in cryptocurrency through an online platform, you will need to start by opening the relevant app and ensuring you have a sufficient balance in your account. If you are unsure about how to deposit funds from your bank account, debit or credit card, or other payment methods, you may need to familiarize yourself with the deposit process before proceeding. Once you have funds available, navigate to the Accounts section, typically located at the bottom of the app, and select the wallet where your deposited money is stored. From there, you can view the amount of money you have available to invest in cryptocurrency. Click on the option to buy crypto and browse through the various cryptocurrencies available. You can sort and filter them based on criteria such as favorites, top gainers, top losers, new listings, or most traded. Choose a cryptocurrency you wish to invest in, and then select the wallet from which you want to make the purchase and specify the amount you want to buy. You can opt to use the maximum available balance or enter a custom amount. After confirming your purchase details, you will typically be prompted to enter a passcode to complete the transaction. Upon successfully completing the investment, you can verify that the purchased cryptocurrency has been added to your portfolio by checking the relevant section of your account. This process allows you to easily buy and manage various cryptocurrencies through the platform.